To know all about Flipkart seller processes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
Hello sellers! Today we will talk about improving your business by analyzing cancellations. Flipkart Seller Hub has a dedicated Analyze Cancellation page where you can get an overview of all your cancelled orders. This includes all your cancellations along with the reasons for cancellations in different time slots. To access Analyze Cancellations page, please log in to your Seller Hub account. Click on the Growth tab from the dashboard and then select Cancellation from the drop-down menu. Analyze Cancellations page is divided into 3 different sections: Sales Period, Filters, Cancellation Overview. These sections also have further subcategories. Let's look at them one by one. Sale Period. Here, you will get the option to select a specific sales period for which you want to analyze the cancellations. Latest. Under Latest, you can see the latest date for which cancellation details are available. This week enables you to review the cancellation details of the current week. The week starts on Monday and ends on Sunday. This month lets you see the details of a specific month. It can be the current month or any previous month. Custom Date option enables you to analyze returns between a custom date range. Please remember that you can select a date range within the last 365 days only. Second section of Analyze Cancellations page is Filters. Here you can search for cancellations on the basis of their category. Vertical. Use this filter to narrow the search. You can select a particular vertical for which you want to analyze the cancellations. Brand. You can see the cancellations for all the products belonging to a particular brand. Fulfillment type. You can analyze the cancellations based on their fulfillment type, that is, Flipkart fulfillment or non-Flipkart fulfillment, etc. Location. You can use this option to search for cancellations from a particular location. This will be applicable only if you are operating from multiple locations. Third section of Analyze Cancellations page is Cancellations Overview. Under this tab, you can learn about the following topics for the selected period of time: Summary and Trends, Reason-wise Breakup, Product or Category or Brand or Vertical View. Summary and Trends. You can select between Summary and Trends. Summary option gives you details like the gross sales, cancellations and courier returns received for a particular return. You will see how different parameters, gross sales, cancellations and courier returns changed as compared to the previous month. Gross sale is the total sale in a given period. Cancellations are the total cancellations including buyer cancellations, seller cancellations and marketplace cancellations. Courier returns are units cancelled after marking RTD, ready to dispatch. You will see the graphical representation of these 3 parameters over a selected period of time. Trends option gives you a detailed graphical representation against each parameter separately. You can switch between the 3 parameters and view the individual graphical overview for the selected time period. Reason-wise breakup. After you scroll down from the summary or trends view, you will be able to see your cancellations clubbed together based on the reason for cancellation. This will help you understand top reasons for cancellations, and based on that, you can take appropriate actions. You can see the total number of cancellations under one reason, the percent share of a particular reason from the total number of cancellations, and the refunds corresponding to each bucket. You can also click on each reason to view the sub-reasons. For example, Upon clicking Customer, a window will open on the right side with sub-reasons like buyer purchase mistake, quality issues, delivery delayed, buyer purchased elsewhere, expensive now, etc. The system shows 5 reasons and sub-reasons on the screen under default conditions. You can click on See All Returns Reasons or See All Sub-Reasons options at the bottom to see the complete list. You will see your cancellations divided into pre-dispatch cancellations and post-dispatch cancellations, courier returns, supported by reason-wise cancellation breakup under these heads. The total cancellation is a sum of pre-dispatch cancellation and post-dispatch cancellation. As you scroll down from the reason-wise breakup, you will be able to see all the cancelled products in the selected time frame. While there are 4 different views available, that is, products, category, brand, vertical, by default, you will be able to see the product view, which means you will be able to see the cancelled products listed along with their corresponding details. You can use the filters to see products under different views like category. You will be able to see the categories and details of cancellations in each category. Brand. You will see all the brands and details of cancellations under each brand. Vertical. You will be able to see the vertical and details of cancellations in each vertical. To narrow down the search, you have 6 filters. All. This shows you all the cancellations. New. Cancellations for the listings you have added in the last few days. Top performing. Cancellations from your top selling products. Slow selling. Cancellations from your slow moving listings. Non-selling. Cancellations from the listings that have not been sold in the last days. Other. Cancellations that do not fall under any of the previous buckets. You can also look for a particular product by using the search functionality and entering the product title or SKU ID. We are sure after watching this video, you will be able to effectively analyze cancellations and take corrective measures to improve your business profitability. Now please don't forget to like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more in store to help you grow more with Flipkart.